All right, Reading Plus kids, this is your first must-do assignment. It is called Riddle number 1. So we're going to be testing our reading and riddling abilities. Here are 3 riddles for you to solve. Don't forget to use the word list that is available to you guys over here. Now, read them carefully. Look at all your options before filling in your response. So, for example, the first one says, "This is a place that you go to have fun. You have lots to tell when your visit is done. You'll see people and animals who dance, ride, or sing. In the big one, you'll find there is more than one ring. It is." Now, from your word list, is it a birdhouse, a neighbor, a zoo, a circus, a dog, a flagpole, a tree, or a playground? Now, this said animals, but it doesn't talk anything about a house. I don't think it's a birdhouse. You have people and animals. That could be a neighbor, but I don't think so. You have a zoo that has animals, but there's nothing really to do with a ring. Then you've got circus. Now, that could be a possibility. Is it a dog, a flagpole, a tree, or a playground? I've read through my entire word list, and I think it is a circus. So I'm going to write circus on my line. So then I'm going to cross out circus because I'm not going to use it again. So when you do the other 2 riddles, you'll have those words to look at. Have fun, good luck, and remember to submit to me through Canvas when you get done. Enjoy!